I'm at the Golden Seafood Chinese restaurant again. We like the food here so much, we're back for another feast. So let's go inside, check it out. So this is the jellyfish, my mom's favorite. We always order it when my mom's here. The Tiger Prawns deep fried, they have their salted duck egg sauce. So this is a popular dish using duck eggs. Must be one of the biggest tiger prawns I ever had. So it's lightly battered, deep fried. It's got the duck egg sauce.
Again, I see the difference.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah, I see.
Had this a few times, but this rates number one. So duck egg sauce is used to coat different dishes, like crab, chicken wing, but I like it with the prawns the best.
That's good. Look at that. This is the lobster with the sticky rice and the lotus leaf. So,
Look at this lobster. When the lobster meat comes off easy, it's really fresh. So I can see it came off right, just like that. Wow, that lobster is so sweet. Got the nice sauce infused into the lobster.
the lobster is looking at me. I don't know who's going to eat it, but it's stuck with rice.
Quite excited.
Lobster head is stuck with the rice.
As a kid,
I had it last time, so I'm going to leave it for somebody else.
One goes
But it's
from
not
Vancouver,
the lobster
in
head,
the
the
UK,
rice.
so she hasn't
It's got the
been.
innards, it's got the guts.
One girl, she's from Saskatchewan,
No
so she
glory,
hasn't
no
been
guts.
anywhere.
No guts, no glory.
when I eat,
Look at this sticky rice. It looks almost like fried rice. I think they actually cook the sticky rice, the glutinous rice, and then they stir fry it. So it's like fried rice, but only better.
This is their version of Buddhist Feast. You've got the clout ear mushroom, which is a soft one. The wood ear mushrooms are more sturdy, so these are softer. And then you have the regular mushrooms. You got some broccoli.
So the Buddhist Feast here, they have the snow fungus. So a lot of restaurants don't use it, but snow fungus, you rehydrate it, and it looks like a big giant snowball. And then you get all the flavors infused into the snow fungus. This is the salt ear mushroom. So when you rehydrate the mushroom, it also soaks up a lot of the flavors from the sauces. That's a real traditional vegan dish. It's their version of Buddhist Feast. Oh, nice looking chicken here. So this is the free-range chicken. They include the head, so that way you know what kind of chicken it came from. So when they have the smaller, what do you call this, crown, so it means it's a female. The bigger one is usually male. So if you want a female chicken, which a lot of people like, you get the smaller crown. And then you also get some of this ginger and green onion.
So free-range chicken is always moist. They cook it right. Also more lean. So when you go free-range, you won't go back to the regular chicken.
Pork chop and gourmet sauce. Look at that, look at that. So lightly battered and deep fried. And then you have this tangy sweet sauce, less of the sour. So this is a popular dish. Looks really good. Looks like really crispy. Ah, look at this pork chop. So you can see the nice sauce glistening. Deep fried, just lightly battered. The best sauce I ever good. It's not sweet and sour, it's just a sweet sauce. A little tangy. Really tasty. Gotta try this.
So this is the lettuce wrap. So they stir fry the veggies with the pork and any kind of meat. And then the filling with the lettuce. So we take individual pieces of lettuce, wrap it up and enjoy.
So this is the stir-fried veggies with pork, So use the lettuce to wrap it up. Put a little hoisin sauce in there if you like. So just add a touch of hoisin sauce. And wrap it up any way you like that. You need the hoisin sauce just to give the added touch, so the combination works really well.
And that's the spicy squid. So they stir fry the chilies with the garlic and green onions. So this is this we always enjoy.
So this is the squid, lightly battered with the spice and different other kind of salts. Really crispy. Lots of flavor.
So this is the stir-fried steak cubes with peppers, some onions. So the sauce is really nice.
So they have the beef steak cubes. So this is a Chinese version of steak. That beef is so tender, infused with the flavor of the stir fry.
So that's the peapod soup. That's the peapod soup. So this is a veggie that goes well with everything. So easy to order just to complement all the dishes.
Today we're making a special roast chicken. So the chicken has been soaked in a special brine sauce. So let's get started. For this recipe we need some light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, brown sugar, star anise, ginger, and cumin seeds. In a pot, bring 10 cups of water to a boil. Add 1 cup of light soy sauce, a 1/4 cup of dark soy sauce, 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Then you add 6 star anise, 2 pieces of ginger, and finally 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Give the soy sauce brine a good stir, then cover with the lid and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, wash the chicken inside and out with cold water. So the brine has cooled off for about an hour. So I'm just going to put the chicken in right now. So there's just enough there. Submerge everything there. Leave the chicken in the brine for at least 3 to 4 hours. And then hang the chicken to dry for at least 3 hours. And if you like a crispier chicken, leave the chicken in the fridge overnight. I put some tin foil in a pan, and then I'm going to put the chicken on top of a wire tray here, which means all the oil will go down. So you want to put your chicken with the breast side up. To make the chicken skin crispy, rub a little cooking oil all over the chicken. So the oven is set at 420 degrees. So some people like to turn the chicken halfway through, but I'm going to leave it on the breast side up and have the rack so all the oil will be dripping down to the bottom. So I have the chicken in for 20 minutes at 420 degrees. I'm going to turn it down to 375 for the last 40 minutes. Ooh, look at that. Nice. That's a nice looking chicken. Oh, I hear the sizzling of the chicken. There you have it. Roast soy sauce chicken with flavor-infused soy sauce brine. Enjoy. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel, and please subscribe. If you get a chance, check out my other channel, the award-winning Chinese cooking channel.